In this video, I'm going to share with you a couple of tips that I've been using to improve the audio in Davinci Resolve. Hey folks, this is AJ the CEO. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, thanks for stopping by. And on this channel, we focus on tips, training, strategies, reviews, and builds to help modernize your media ministry. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Davinci Resolve is my video editor of choice, first because it's free and because it is very powerful. And I've been using it for about 2 years now, since moving from Sony Vegas over to Davinci Resolve for all of my business videos, my YouTube videos, as well as video editing at my church. So there's a bunch of things that I've been learning over the last couple of months on how to improve the audio using the fairlight component of Davinci Resolve. So let me go ahead and share with you how I actually do that. All right, I'm here in Davinci Resolve, and I have this little clip here of a part of a sermon, and this is easier way to actually do this. So let's just play the original.
Raining out it, but when you know Jesus, you got sunshine on the inside. Am I right about it? It's a good day today.
All right, so let's trim that just a little bit. And this is the clip we're going to work on. So the very first thing that I've been doing now is right clicking on our clip, and I want to normalize the audio. We click on that, set it to true peak, and I don't know why it's negative 20. Do it as a negative 2. And then you just go ahead and balance, normalize, and it's going to get the peaks of your audio and balance it across the board. So let's play that again now.
Raining, you know Jesus, you got sunshine on the inside. Am I right about it? It's a good day today.
So it just amplified that just based on what the audio was. Now, normally we're recording the entire service, so normally the preaching is the softest part compared to all the music. So I have to balance out the audio from when the choir and all the musicians are playing to when somebody's speaking. And this is an easy way to do that. All right. And that was really simple. Now, what we're going to do now is go over to the fairlight component here. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do while I'm over in here, we're going to go to Effects. We're going to add the de-esser. That's when you get rid of the S's and the C's and stuff like that. And its default settings are fine, so I'm just going to leave it at that. Let's loop that again. Let's see if you notice anything.
It's cloudy, but when you know Jesus, you got sunshine on the inside. Am I right about it? It's a good day today. Raining, it's cloudy, but when you...
All right, so let's turn that off and let's see if you notice it, because there's a bunch of S's in there.
Raining, it's cloudy, but when you know Jesus, you got sunshine on the inside. Am I right about it?
So there's a bunch of those, so let's go ahead and put it again, and let's see if we notice the difference.
Raining, it's cloudy, but when you know Jesus, you got sunshine on the inside. Am I right about it?
See, the S at the end of Jesus and the S on sunshine is not as prominent. Really slightly noticeable, but over the grand scheme, it helps. All right, so we just did the de-esser. Now we're going to add in the multi-band compressor. And all of these settings are going to isolate the different the bands of the audio that are coming in. Really, the default settings are perfectly fine. So now let's play that again and see how that sounds.
Rain cloudy, but when you know Jesus, you got sunshine on the inside. Am I right about it? It's a good day today. Raining, it's cloudy, but when you know Jesus, you got sunshine on the inside. Am I right about it? It's a good day today.
See, so it's isolating all of the sections of the frequency of her talking. All right, and then the next thing we're going to do is come in here and we're going to go to vocal channel. And we're going to turn the high pass so we can get all this low out of here. So let's go ahead and listen to that again.
Rain's cloudy, but when you know Jesus, you got sunshine on the inside. Am I right about it? It's a good day today.
All right. And then depending on if you have any noise, you always could do a noise reduction here. And I normally put mine on learn, but there's really not a lot of noise in this video.
It's cloudy, but when you know Jesus, you got sunshine on the inside. Am I right about it? It's a good day today.
As you can hear, this really removed a lot of the ambient sound. But again, the ambient sound here in the sanctuary is mainly people in the congregation. So let's play it again so you can just hear.
It's cloudy, but when you know Jesus, you got sunshine on the inside. Am I right about it? It's a good day today.
So you can hear people clapping.
It's cloudy, but when you know Jesus, you got sunshine on the inside. Am I right about it? It's a good day today. It's cloudy, but when you know Jesus, you got sunshine on the inside. Am I right about it? It's a good day today.
All right. So just with that, you're able to clear up a whole lot. So if I just did the noise reduction, I normally use that if I have fans or something else that are going on around me when I'm doing my videos. But that's just a couple of these 1, 2, 3, 4. Some of these 4 easy plugins that you really don't have to change nothing. The system defaults really work. Now, depending on if you really want to make your audio sound a lot better, if you're having some balancing issues, you can come down here to pan, double click, and then you want to turn panning off, and it's going to make everything come in through the center channel, equal across both sides.
It's cloudy, but when you know Jesus, you got sunshine on the inside. Am I right about it? It's a good day today.
All right. And then the very last thing that I like to do is come here to the master channel. And what I like to do is add a limiter on this so that you don't redline on any of the stuff that goes through when you're doing any audio.
It's cloudy, but when you know Jesus, you got sunshine on the inside. Am I right about it? It's a good day today.
So you can always play around with that. Let's change that just to see if we can.
It's cloudy, but when you know Jesus, you got sunshine on the inside. Am I right about it? It's a good day today.
So pretty much anywhere, any clips that went over that line, it's actually stopping it from going out. You want to play around with that. That's all depending on how your sound is going, so it will catch that. So these are just a few of the plugins that I've been using in Fairlight to help improve the sound of the audio, to get a crisper, tighter sound, and to clean up and amplify whoever's talking. So really simple. It's already stuff that's built in. You don't really have to go buy anything. It's just a couple of things I've been using in a program that has so many features that I don't know them all, but learning as I keep using it. And I just want to share those with you. And maybe those can help improve some of the audio, remove some of the issues that you may have in your audio, just to kick it up just another notch to make it sound a little bit more professional. So if you found this type of content helpful, I'll appreciate a like. Consider subscribing and hit that bell. That way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. This is AJ, and we will see you on the next video later.